It's Betty by time and your character needs to fall asleep. Or maybe it's not Betty by time and your character is just tired and they're starting to nod off into some sort of daydream. How do you act those things? You close their eyes and drift off to sleep. And it's not as convincing. First of all, you want to know how tired your character is. Are they very, very tired and they're easily going to fall asleep, mildly tired, or are they amped up? Are they having trouble falling asleep? Are they in bed or are they at a desk at work? And what is happening around the character is an obstacle for them staying awake. So let's take the instance of being in class and nodding off. The first thing that happens is you're usually listening to something or watching something. Your mind wanders to a different thought. You look down and you lose your focus on what's happening. Eyelids get heavy, you blink, they might flutter a little bit, they close. The thing that brings us back, that wakes us back up, is a loud noise, a bang, a voice, a change in the pace. For the character, it's a realization that they've drifted. If it's a bang, it's like a, but there's still that wake up, that drowsy, that feeling of coming out from somewhere completely different. So now if you're drifting off to sleep in a bed, say, it's pretty much just a matter of relaxing yourself and focusing on one thought, one random, non-related thought, and closing your eyes. It's the opposite of waking up. You want to have your character's objectives and let them put those objectives aside so that they can finally go to sleep. But the more convincing thing about the falling asleep behavior, especially in a bed, is how do you prepare for that? Is the pillow at the right angle? Does it touch your hair and feel uncomfortable? Are you in the right position? Does your body need to shift? All those things you can play around with a little bit. Make those little moments realistic. And then once we are asleep, how do you play sleep? Well, there's so many different ways to sleep. Are you restless? Does your character have a lot on their mind? Are they dreaming something weird? A nightmare? Are they having a pleasant dream? Are they drooling? Are they completely relaxed, or is there tension? Or are they snoring and zonked out? Is the temperature of the room? What are my blankets like? Do I want to snuggle? Is there another person with me? All those things you should take into consideration while you're trying to fall asleep. Giving your character a few obstacles to actually closing their eyes is a good thing. Okay, your character has fallen asleep. What happens next? Do you want them to wake up? Do you want them to have a nightmare? Or do you want them to snore? Wake up, have a nightmare, or snore? Choose one of the videos now.